Well, hello, everybody. This is Monica Morgan again, and I'm bringing to you a really cute card that I made with the Spellbinders card kit of the month for February of 2019. And these are pieces that I die cut last night using some of their dies. That typewriter is just the cutest thing ever. And I figured since it's going to be a little love letter, it's going to need a little bit of a parchment paper. And that little sentiment is part of the stamp set that came with it. And I didn't have my glasses on or something. I stamped it upside down, and it started smearing, and I decided I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to go more colorful, I think. So I'm die cutting some of these leaves and flowers that also came in the kit. And those are the cutest shaped leaves ever. So there's my parchment looking one. I think I restamped it with a different color ink, and I decided to use that for now. And I've got all my little other pieces that I die cut, and now I'm creating a panel to lay on top of one of the card bases that came in the kit. And I'm going to make my own pattern paper. And I bought these little stamps today over at Michael's, and they were so cute. There's like 6 in a pack for $2. And I like little stamps like this so that they're quick and easy. You don't have to pull out the MISTI. And had I thought through, I would have done it the other way around, and I would have hid that one that didn't stamp perfectly. But I was thinking about it. In my mind, I knew the typewriter was going to cover it, but it actually doesn't. But that's okay. It's a handmade card. So now I'm just giving this little typewriter some stability, and I glued 2 of them together to give it some substance. And that sentiment, I actually heat embossed, and I did that last night, so that's why you don't see it. And there's some little phone tape squares. I'm just going to raise up my little typewriter so that it's up and off of the base a little bit, give it some life. All you need is heart. Or all you need is love. Which one is it? If you're the cowardly lion from The Wizard of Oz, all you need is heart. Now, who is it that says all you need is love? I can't remember. Can you? Anyway, so I'm just going on, and I actually had to fill in these little hearts because I didn't want what was underneath poking through. I guess I could have used a different color, but I'm going to cover it anyway. And that's my stash of sparkly embellishments. I have so much stuff. And these look so pretty on there, and it just made the whole card come to life. Now, here's why I've got to explain about why I'm putting on the inside what I'm going to put on the inside. I started making cards for my friends that are in Alcoholics Anonymous. And I sold them here and there, and I'm very entrepreneurial by nature, and nobody would make these kind of cards. I mean, you can buy them, but not the handmade, handcrafted ones. So I have all these pre-printed things that I've designed on my computer, and I have them ready to go to place on the inside of a card. I call them my inserts, and I'm going to be putting them online so people can download them if you want. But that's a very famous AA saying, easy does it. And it kind of goes with the all you need is love. So that's why that's what that is. And that's how I got into making cards. So that's that story. But anyway, I also package them in this little sleeve that I get from Uline. No, different company. I can't think of the name right now, but I'll put it up on the screen. And it makes it look so professional. So really, really thank you for sticking with me to the end. I know it's kind of rushed, but I know your time's valuable. And I want to ask if you could please subscribe, because this is a new channel, and I need all the subscribers I can get. I want to keep doing this, and I have a lot more to come. I have subscribed to about 3 or 4 different card kits, and I'll be making those for you in the near future, plus a lot of other stuff that I have. So I guess that's it for now, but thanks again. Subscribe, give me your thumbs up, and I'll see you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.